pale dream, watch their dream while we're asleep. Most unworth the secrets they keep. Forget about being useful or true. Most of them fade before the day is new. But I had a dream with my eyes wide open, a vision so clear, yet the promise is broken. For the dream refused to come to life. The moment I close my eyes for the night, is it a flaw in nature's design? Or is it a weakness? This heart of mine, did I just forget? Did I lose my way? The moment the darkness took over the day, my dreams were plundered, stolen away from a heart where they were meant to stay. Born from faith and watered by hope, giving me strength, helping me cope. So should I surrender and give up the fight? Or should I dream again into the night? Is it better to change?